This tutorial will help you understand Cuelist Collaborators. It's important to note that this tutorial is only applicable to those with a paid collaborator account. If you have an unpaid observer account, please head to that tutorial for further information. When you first create a project, you will be the only one who can see and edit that project. If you want to invite collaborators, the process is very straightforward. First, go to the menu and click on Collaborators option. From here, you can invite as many collaborators as you like. They don't have to be current Cuelist users to receive the invite, but they will need to sign up for a free or paid account in order to view the project. When you expand the Invite Collaborators menu, you will see 4 places in which you can input information. The first line, Find Existing User, is optional, but if your collaborator is already a Cuelist user, putting their information on this line will pre-populate both their email and name. The final line is for role. This should be filled out with the position your collaborator will take on this project. For instance, lighting designer. Once you've finished filling out the form, click Send Invite, and an email invitation will be sent to your desired collaborator. The project will also immediately come up in their pending project invite box. After you've sent the invite, your potential collaborator will be moved to a pending collaborators list. If you made a mistake in your invite, you can open their name with the expansion arrow and remove them from the project before they have accepted your invitation. The user will no longer see the project in their pending invite box. Once a collaborator has accepted your invite, they officially become a part of the project. If you are the project owner, you can then assign your new collaborator specific layers to which they will have edit access. The project owner will automatically have full access to every layer created by every user. But for all other users, you will have only automatic full edit permissions on the layers you personally create. If you need edit access to layers created by another user, you must request that the project owner assigns you permission for that layer. If you are the project owner, to assign layer permissions, go to the Collaborator menu and click on the expansion arrow next to a user's name. You will see a column with the name of every layer on the right and a box in a column on the left. Simply check the box associated with the layer, and that user will now have full edit permissions on that specific layer. If a user doesn't have permissions on a layer, they can still view the layer, but they won't be able to make any changes. As a collaborator, you can see what layers you have edit permissions on by expanding your name in the Collaborators menu. Your layers will have checkboxes. For more on creating and editing layers, click on the layer tutorial or click on any of our other tutorials for additional information about Cuelist. Thanks for watching.